And this is my vacuum cleaner, and the brush of the vacuum cleaner stopped working. When I checked it, I found that the belt is broken. So to fix it, I got this replacement belt from Walmart. I am now going to replace the belt between these two lines. So this is the part I'm going to fix the belt with. So let's start. So to begin with, this is how the vacuum cleaner looks, and these are the screws that I have to unscrew to get started. So first thing, unscrew these screws. After unscrewing, this is how it looks, and I got the broken belt from here. So it was broken, the connection between these two was broken, so we have to replace that with a new belt and try running it again. So now you have to remove this piece out of the vacuum cleaner. So it just rightly pulls out of the vacuum cleaner, just like that. So now you have to put the belt over here and insert it again. Let's do that now. This is the belt I tried, but this Eureka belt doesn't fit this vacuum cleaner, the Eureka Power Speed. So I had to replace the belt from this brand. So I tried this. Let me check if it works. Yeah, now you have to fix this belt. This is the belt that I got from Walmart, and you have to put it inside the fix it with the motor, and then this brush that you got it out of the vacuum cleaner, put it here, and then just keep it straight like this, and then just push it. Now it's done. Let us try running the vacuum cleaner. Try running it. So it works perfectly. Now we'll fix the bolts. Now we have to put things back and screw it up. So here is what you should do. Add it here and move it like this, and then keep this plate back here, and this should go inside. So this is how you fix it. And screw up all the things. So all the screws have been tightened up, and the motor is, the brush is also running, so everything looks good. Thank you for watching.